Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to communication and debating. Say these words with your English voice. Conversation. Conversation. This is a talk between two or more people, usually an informal one. In a sentence, my friend and I always have great conversations. Express. Express. This is to show what you think or how you feel using words or actions. They need to express the ideas at the meeting tomorrow. Idea. Idea. This is a suggestion or plan. The manager asked all the employees to come up with ideas for the new project. Evidence. Evidence. This is something that makes you believe that something is true or exists. She has evidence of all the work she had done. Facts. Facts. Things that you know are true, exist, or have happened. They stated many facts at the meeting. Open. Open. This is to start a debate. John opened the debate by introducing himself. Close. Close. This is to end a debate. John closed the debate with some great ideas.